Hi, this is Kenny Mercy. Today we're going to show you how to create a job and do a station setup on a Leica Total Station with LeicaViva software. First, from the home screen, select Jobs and Data, and then New Job. Enter the name of the job using the keyboard. No need for a description, but go ahead and put your initials in Creator. On the Code List tab, use the drop-down arrow to select the code list. Run through all the different tabs and check the settings. Coordinate system should be none. Averaging should be set to off. I don't like averaging. TPS scale should be set to 1, which means there's no scale. And select store. As you can see, the name of the job is displayed. Just above that is the type of reflector currently set. The stylus is currently pointing at the radio indicator, so the lightning bolt gets larger and smaller. That means radio to the total station is working. From the main menu, select Go to Work and then Setup. And for this particular job, we'll use Set Orientation. As you can see, there are other options in the drop-down. Select OK. So this will be an assumed coordinate system. So enter a new point. Our height was measured at 1.327. Select OK. And enter point number or point ID, as well as the northern, easting, and elevation for your assumed coordinate system. On the Code tab, select a code. With the Leica software, you cannot add a number to the control point or benchmark without creating a new code. So I add the number to the CP or BM in LGO. After you've completed the information for the occupation point, select Store, and now complete the information for the backsite. We'll use point ID 2. Going to the backsite tab, we'll set the code, CP, and OK. Just noticing that there are the other tabs available if you need them. Now in this case, I'm using a 0 target height, and the reflector type is actually reflectorless because I'm just demonstration for a backsite. Now select distance. The instrument, oh, there it goes. Select distance. The instrument is measuring, and the horizontal distance and height difference has been calculated. Select Set. Now select Go to Work, Survey. We can see the instrument is at point 1. We backsighted point 2. Looking at some of the map screen options, using that drop down, it gives us more options. And then to the settings, looking at the different settings tabs, Going back to the survey screen, what things do we need to enter when we survey? Point ID, code, height of the prism. Line work. Are we starting a line, ending a line, continuing a line? With this instrument, you can measure with the F1 button or the F12, or you can hit OK. The instrument is now measuring. 0.3 stored. And notice the indicator in the upper left hand corner shows a 360-degree prism. And going back to the map, we see that a rod and 360-degree prism are at 0.3 when we measured it. Scrolling around in the map, simply drag the map wherever you need to. This is an example field notebook. Notice the job file name JQL247. Station setup number is just order of operations for the job. First station setup, number 1, second, number 2, etc. The station setup is the point of occupation. In this case, it's number 1, a control point. The height is whatever you measured in the field. And this case was an assumed coordinate system. The setup type would be not a known point. Notice it's not checked. Also, the backsite point number is number 2. It's a control point. The backsite was also a tripod and tribrac. This is Kenny and Mercy. So this video has demonstrated how to create a job, how to occupy a point, backside another point in an assumed coordinate system. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.